Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the US Bank app. The first thing I want you to do is just launch the app, come to the top left, click on these three horizontal lines to open up your menu, and then from here click on Profile and Settings. From here click on Personal Details, and here you'll see your phone numbers. Okay, click here next to your phone number, you'll see Edit, click on that, enter your new phone number that you want, and then click here on Save. What they'll do, they'll actually send you a code to that phone number to verify your identity. Hit here on Continue, enter the code that they have sent. Okay, hit Continue after you've entered that. And then as you can see right here, your phone number has been updated. And then you just go ahead and confirm it. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.